So we have another virtual celebration to figure out. Take care, everybody. Christine, Dave, can you guys stay on the line for a few seconds? Merci, Michel. Portez-vous bien. Bye. So, what are we going to do for Canada Day this year?
Well, I feel that we need to bring fun back to Canada Day and to our society.
It will be great in 2022 to be back at Central Park. But what are we going to do this year?
Wait a minute. I've got something. I'll be right over.
Might as well go for a so that nobody hurts and nobody cries. Might as well go for a so that nobody drowns and nobody dies. So in one of our blue boots, you wanna have it your way, one in mine. All that's been and go round, our blue moon makes you thirsty for love. Might as well go for a so that nobody hurts and nobody cries. Might as well go for a so that nobody drowns and nobody dies. Life seems to be a bomb inside of your head, but the bomb in my head is love. All this debate and going round, no blue moon makes you thirsty for love. Might as well go for a so that nobody hurts and nobody cries. Might as well go for a so that nobody drowns and nobody dies. Might as well go for a soul that's better than slander, it's better than lies. Might as well go for a soul that nobody hurts and nobody dies. Might as well go for a soda. Might as well go for a soul that nobody hurts and nobody cries. Might as well go for a soul that nobody drowns and nobody dies. Might as well go for a soul that's better than slander, it's better than lies. Might as well